To flirt with a guy in high school, start by acting friendly and confident around him. Stand up straight, keep your body language relaxed and open, and make eye contact when he looks your way. When you catch his eye, smile at him. When you're hanging out together, try getting close to him or even brushing up against him. If he leans in or moves closer, that's a good sign that he's interested in you. You can also try breaking the touch barrier by putting your hand on his arm for a second while you're talking, or putting your hand on his shoulder in a friendly way when you walk by. The way you talk to a guy can also let him know that you're into him. Make friendly small talk with him next time you see him, or give him a sincere compliment. If you know his number, text him sometimes to tell him a joke. Share a funny meme, or just say hi.